I made it to the border between Spain and Gibraltar. In the distance I can see both flags, English and Spanish, and I think that's where I have to go to actually pass the border and do the document checks.
So hopefully I'm out just right.
Medio esto.
And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
It's in the air, you feel that it's bringing back images. We're making our way at long last, feeling like a new day. If you can find it now, you're gonna see. Ooh, and if you send it back, we're gonna get it. Alright. Oh, merciful radio energy. When I call, will you call back to me?
Just arrived in one of the most traditional and old vintage looking hotel I've ever been. Look what they gave to me. So this is my key of the room, and with the key attached to it there is this huge thing that to make sure that when you leave the hotel you leave the keys in the reception. You don't want to go out with this, do you? I'm in the bus and I'm going to Europa Point. The receptionist at the hotel was super helpful and she explained to me what I should do basically. So I took a bus very quickly, and I'm going up there. Buses here are easy to take, and you have to pay. You can pay on the bus, but you need cash, and you need exact cash. I didn't really have any change. I mean, I have some money, so I put them all out, and I had like euros, pounds, and dirham. So it was a bit messy, but the driver helped me with that, and we managed to get £1.80 for this trip up to Europa Point. So it was good in the end.
I kept our photos, I just hid them away. So when I'm over you, I'll look and say, don't be sad that it's over, just be happy that you got to hold somebody's heart, even if it wasn't for very long. I keep our memories in the back of my mind. So
I arrived to Europa Point. This is the oldest lighthouse built in Gibraltar, and this place offers views of the ocean, but you know, weather is not great today, so there's not much visibility.
There's a pace here that I'm still not quite familiar with. There's a noise coming from the fridge and a mess that isn't mine. There's a broken chair that I've been sitting on lately. Feels high, feels so low sometimes. There's a beautiful porch with parts dropping from the ceiling. There's a man enjoying his loneliness as I am sipping.
I think I spent enough time here. Now I'm going to catch the bus back up to the town center, and I'm probably going to go and check the marina of Gibraltar. I got a little something to get some change to go in the bus. This time hopefully I did it right, so these are £180, so hopefully that's exactly the amount I need to get in the bus.
one more note, one more breath, one more go is all I get this time around. One more night to sing a song, see the light, dance along an empty floor I've come to know quite well.
This is one of the marina the receptionist told me to visit. They are not restaurants though, so I'm going to go to the other one.
Buenas noches, Iguana. Buena información. Viernes.
welcome back. It's Saturday night and this side of the city is completely empty. Listen to some very good music, being a bit tipsy to be honest, and having lots of good time. I'm at the cable car station and I'm going to get a cable car to go to the top of the rock and explore that area.
Ride 412 meters up to the top of the rock will take approximately 6 minutes. During the top of the rock visit, you will encounter the famous Barbary macaques. These are wild, free-roaming, tailless monkeys. They have sharp teeth and will bite if provoked. Please do not feed or attempt to touch them. Feel free to take photos, but please keep your distance. You should not take out or display any food or plastic bags, as the monkeys will grab them. You should place rucksacks at your front to protect your belongings. Located at the summit, the Mons Calpe Suite restaurant offers a varied menu of meals, snacks and drinks while you enjoy this spectacular view in a unique setting. We have a small gift shop where you can purchase a range of souvenirs. An audio tour can be downloaded to your mobile device using the QR code issued at the ticket office via our free Wi-Fi.
I made it to the top of the rock and now we'll start the tour of the nature reserve. You can buy the tickets to come here by following the link I will share below or in the description of the video. You can choose the kind of tickets you prefer. You can buy only the cable car ticket. You can also buy only one-way cable car ticket or a ticket for the attractions and cable car or only the attractions. It's really up to you. But let's start the tour. So there is already a monkey here. Obviously lots of people. I'm doing a realistic vlog. This is the reality of things. But there's a monkey. I don't want to go close to it. But wow. I think they don't really like people. They're on the other place before and they moved. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so cute. Anyone knows why they do that? What are they looking for? Hello. Hi. That was quite exciting. This is probably, the monkeys are probably the main attraction here. They are very cute. But I think they were a little bit scared because they moved around when there were lots of people that just went away, went somewhere else, a little bit quieter. Well, this is going to be quite a physical day. I think there are lots of ups and downs in this hill. So yeah, let's see what's next. No. I don't want anything, you know? I'm just leaving. You know what? I travel on my own, all of that. But to be fair, I have to face lots of fears that I have. Like, for instance, I can be scared of monkeys anyways, you know. But hey, we do that, don't we? Face it, and you won't regret it, hopefully. So I went to exchange my digital tickets at the ticket office here up, and they gave me this stuff. So that's a little map with all the attractions here. We are walking towards the Skywalk now. It's a nice view, mate. Oh, you see, you have the option to do the tour by taxi. So you ask the taxi to take you to the different spots and you don't walk that much. This is convenient because they scan it at each attraction. So. Go even up. So we're now doing the Douglas path that takes us to the Douglas Lookout and Cave. This is a slightly less touristic path because some Douglas caves are not mentioned as one of attractions to see, like a must-see attraction. It is still in the map, but I guess many people just go to St. Michael's Cave, which hopefully I'm gonna see in a bit. That's the thing, that to go to different places, then sometimes you have to go back. So you have to go back up after having gone down. Okay, well, Douglas Cave is nothing really, it's just a black room in the rocks. Yeah, I mean, it's also very it's very dark. I have to use the torch to try to get in, but there is nothing in it, so that's why, yeah, I'm not gonna go again. So they told me, I met a couple of people and they told me that St. Michael's Cave is actually really beautiful and that's truly worth visiting. And here on this way there is the O'Hara Battery, which is one of the places that are mentioned to be seen, so I'm gonna go there now. It's kind of hard work, but I don't want to put you off from coming here because I think it's totally worth it. It's funny how we find ourselves in difficult situations like this that require physical endurance and strength. We all do, you know, good intentions for the future. A couple of people just passed by and she was saying, my knees don't take this, I want to go to the swimming pool when I go back. I'm like, I hear you, girl. Yes, it's interesting. Always put yourself in a challenging situation, it's good for you.
The magazine with stores and watch shelters. The current generated in this engine room is distributed through the main switchboard.
I'm in the gun pit and there is the cannon on top, but it's not open to the public at the moment. Wow, oh my goodness, there are this, you know, mannequin. It's been interesting but also terrifying at the same time. What I really understood is that to operate this cannon, it's a very complex process and required lots of people work, so whoa. It's also probably the highest point, so it's definitely worth coming up here. Even if you wear a skirt, make sure you have pockets. Look, here I have my power bank. I'm currently recharging my phone. Here I have my gimbal. That's amazing, isn't it? Yay, exciting. Hi.
If you stand there, I can take your photo.
Okay. I found the only illuminated place where I can take a video and show my face, otherwise it's all dark. Oh gosh, it's so beautiful. Honestly, woo! Ended up crying because I cry for everything. I'm going to sit here and enjoy the light and sound show. which runs every 7 minutes. So you have 7 minutes to see the caves in their natural light, and then you have the show. Time for lunch. Close to St. Michael's Cave, there is a restaurant where you can have some food, you can get some souvenir, and you can listen to some very loud music. It's after lunch, really nice. I'm feeling much more fresh and strong now, and I'm going to walk towards the Queen's balcony. We are now at the Queen's balcony, which is a nice spot for a good view. And here it says, it explains that Queen Elizabeth II and the Duke of Edinburgh student looked out over Gibraltar during their visit to the Rock in 1954. That's a nice view. Here we are at the suspension bridge. Taking a nice stroll on the bridge. Hey. It's not very shaky, so don't be scared if you come here. We are at the end of it. Ooh, that's a nice path. Allows you to see the bridge and its construction, the way it is built. Nice thing, this path I'm in actually allows you to go on the other side if you don't want to go in on the suspension bridge, so you can still go from a side to another one without going on the bridge, which I think is quite clever. Not everyone would do it, but definitely recommend to do it. You can't imagine how much effort it took to do the footage that you've just seen. I've done it like 3 times. In the end, I decided to walk down towards the city center instead of taking the cable car back. It's a nice walk. The only things I didn't see are the castle and the tunnels. You can look up, probably there are other vlogs that show you these 2 things. I have a plane to catch back to London, so I don't have much time left and I want to relax a little bit. Prioritize my mental and physical health, to be honest, instead of rushing around. I like to take it easy. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, if so, you can catch up with the previous trips that I've done. This is the final stop of my backpacking trip in April 2024. I've been backpacking for about 8 days from Morocco to Tarifa in Spain until, you know, here, Gibraltar. So you can have fun watching them too. And yeah, consider subscribing, that would help a lot. It would be really nice if you could do that, because I really would like to be able to keep creating these videos and keep traveling. So thanks for sticking around. Bye.